You were fire and brimstone. What wrong have we done? Yes, we have met Shahi Imam. Yes, we are going after the Muslim vote. You called it the secular vote. What's wrong? Today, it's not times now. It's the entire country is questioning you. And your political desperation, your last-minute tactical move to get the Muslims to vote as one bloc by using the Shahi Imam as your instrument has failed. It's the biggest flop show. Even before his press conference, it has flopped. Mr. Rasool, respond to any of our panelists tonight.
Yeah, can I answer?
Yes, please do. I just wanted to make that point.
If they allow me, and if you allow me, definitely I will respond.
Yes.
The fact remains that yesterday also I said the same thing. Today also I'll say the same thing, that what he has appealed is for secularism, and secularism cannot be equated to a community. Yeah, let me complete it. If you are not going to allow me, then I'm just keep quiet. You can carry on. This is not right. You are not giving me a fair
about
field.
secularism.
No, let me complete. पहले बात करने दीजिए, उसके बाद बात करिए आप. पहले मुझे बात करने दीजिए.
Are you a secular party? I will question your secularism. What kind of secularism you are pursuing?
Yes, what you
the
can.
Congress party was never a secular party. How can you claim that you are a secular party?
Let me speak. Let me speak. After that,
every time, every Congress person that we are secular.
Oh my God! This is not right. You are not allowing me to speak and not allowing me, giving me a fair chance to counter all your allegations.
Sir, it's an open debate.
If you will give the wrong statement, we will interrupt you.
Okay, now I did not interrupt. That's my mistake. Now I will interrupt your speech also if you don't allow me to speak. The point I am saying here is, Mr. Imam,
sure, you are welcome. Very much welcome.
And if secularism is being appealed, there is nothing wrong. And BJP in 2004 went to the same Imam Bukhari and requested him to come out and support, and he has supported. Then it was nothing wrong. Now the point here is, if secularism,
even Imam Bukhari Sahib has said that the Congress is not a secular party.
One community, then needs to be counted.
24 hours back, Imam Bukhari himself said that Congress is not a secular party.
You have Ram Sena, you have all these coming on stage and supporting
Imam Bukhari did not say that the Congress is not a secular party. It's me. It's me who is saying that the Congress is not a secular party.
In secularism, there is nothing wrong in believing in secularism. It is the foundation of our country. It is the foundation of our constitution.
No, I'll tell you what is
the debate. I feel that the debate
is the blood of India. Secularism is the blood of India.
The debate is
secularism is blood of India, but not the Congress party is secular.
Swami talks of breaking a party, breaking a community. I would like to question Subramanian Swami about the differences within his party, where the communities are fighting amongst each other, where the upper caste is fighting on the OBC, where they are not able to come out, where RSS is distancing itself on the caste, where there is differences in the party on the caste. What are you talking about secularism? You have your own agenda. We have
you are
in this country that
yes, Subramanian Swami.
You keep quiet and listen to me. You keep quiet and listen to me.
First of all,
spoil the whole atmosphere.
Why you are asking me a question? I'm answering.
Of this country.
Answer, Subramanian Swami. Come on, it's an open debate. It's an open debate, Abid Rasool. There's no need to get upset.
First of all,
you have a total where Congress is
fighting,
and you are
Congress has got so desperate
of the differences between the communities. Oh, we are not desperate. Desperation is
no, there's no difference.
South Delhi MP today shows desperation.
We don't have this imagination. You are now in a highly inflamed.
BJP is equally desperate.
You are losing the election.
That's why
so you are getting now getting to be making absurd statements.
You have no answers.
Please listen.
Please listen
to
my question.
You have gone in Kerala to the Catholic bishops also. And so this is a pattern. You are in a desperate mood.
Whether
people are not supporting, they want development.
Organization between the communities.
We have not gone to anybody.
Why the upper caste is being
we have not gone to anybody. We are going to the people.
I asked today.
They are holding public meetings everywhere.
I asked today. Zafar, come to the debate.
The Muslims are voting for us.
My question tonight is, according to point number 3, 1 minute, Mr. Abid Rasool, please, do we have any respect for the law in this country or not? The law says, according to point number 3 on the Model Code of Conduct, there shall be no appeal. Zafar Sareshwala, come to the debate. The BJP today, by the way, I want to remind our viewers, the BJP has gone to the Election Commission demanding action against Sonia Gandhi and the Congress party for that meeting and for appealing on the lines of religion. One second.
We will appealing for secularism.
Sir, please don't use.
For secularism is a crime. We are ready to face.
Sir, why are you going on and on like a broken record about secularism?
We have.
Why don't you? Why don't?
We have said secularism.
Because
that is the
do you?
foundation of
One sec, Mr. Rasool, Mr. Rasool, 1 minute. Mr. Rasool, you know what? I just ask you what. Do you have the courage right now? Okay. Right now, you have been going on and on like a broken record about secularism. I am asking you today. Do you have the courage to say yes?
Yeah.
Yes, we are making an attempt to get consolidated Muslim voting for the Congress party. Say it. Unless you think what you're doing is a crime.
We are not doing that.
Oh, you are not doing that.
And we are not doing that. That
You
was
accept
never in
that?
our agenda.
Yahya Bukhari, you accept that?
We are for
Bukhari ji, aap mante hain is baat ko?
Development of all the
then throw Imam Bukhari.
Bukhari ji
You are
mante
trying to consolidate the Hindu
देखिए
vote.
मेरा इसमें मानना है, मैं यहाँ वही बात
Abid bhai, is the Congress trying to consolidate Hindu votes through Imam Bukhari? A reactive Hindu vote as a reaction?
Yahya Bukhari, आप मानते हैं इसको? कांग्रेस पार्टी ने जो
देखिए कांग्रेस पार्टी ने
Brother is trying to counter. That is their personal opinions, and our party stands
Mr.
by the
Rasool,
agenda that
Mr.
we are
Rasool,
for
the
secularism.
Shahi Imam's
We are
brother
for
wants
all
to
sections. We are
say
for
something
all
to you.
So
sections
what?
to come
Of course,
forward.
it is a personal opinion. Now, See, Mr. Rasool, अगर हम कांग्रेस की बात करते हैं, कांग्रेस पार्टी ने पिछले 5-10 सालों में जो मुसलमानों का हशर खराब किया है, वो पूरे हिंदुस्तान की तारीख में कभी आज तक ऐसा नहीं हुआ. ये बात हुई कांग्रेस की. Now if we talk about Mr. Subramaniam Swamy, Mr. Subramaniam Swamy अगर डिबेट
1950 से कर रही है यहिया साहब. It's since 1950.
अच्छा, अगर मैं कर रहा हूं तो कोई गुनाह कर रहा हूं? क्यों कोई गुनाह कर रहा हूं? अगर मैं कर रहा हूं तो पहली बात तो मैं कर नहीं रहा हूं, और अगर कर रहा हूं तो आपका कुछ दिया नहीं खा रहा हूं मैं. दूसरी बात, मुझे बात कंप्लीट कर लेने दीजिए. मिस्टर सुब्रमण्यम स्वामी के लिए मैं एक बात कह रहा हूं फ्रॉम द बीजेपी. सुब्रमण्यम स्वामी से ताल्लुक रखते हैं, इसलिए आपको बुरा लग रहा है कि दिल्ली में
आप क्या बात कर रहे हैं? आपकी बात पे जो है, आप एक बात जब कर रहे हैं, आप पार्टी
आज बेगुनाह मुसलमान जेलों के अंदर बंद नहीं है क्या? आप बात करते हैं, आप पर्दा डाल रहे हैं मुसलमानों के. आप कांग्रेस के गुनाहों पर पर्दा डाल रहे हैं. क्या बेगुनाह मुसलमान जेलों उसकी सलाखों के पीछे बंद नहीं है?
टीवी पे बात
आपने कभी आवाज उठाई उन मुसलमानों के लिए?
के फेवर में
आप बात करते हैं कांग्रेस की हिमायत की.
एक पर्टिकुलर पार्टी के फेवर में है तो आप दूसरी
बिल्कुल हूं,
बराबर बात करेंगे.
बिल्कुल हूं मैं. आपका दिया नहीं खाता हूं मैं.
आपकी बात बयास है, आपकी बात बयास है, आपकी बात मुसलमानों को गुमराह करने की है.
आप एक बात बताइए, आबिद रसूल जी.
खतरनाक पार्टी है और मुसलमानों के लिए कांग्रेस से ज्यादा खतरनाक नहीं है कोई. खुल के बात ये कहता हूं मैं, जो कोई मेरा कुछ बिगाड़ सकता है तो बिगाड़ ले.
आपका पर्सनल ओपिनियन,
मैं खुदा के अलावा किसी की जात से नहीं डरता हूं.
पर्सनल ओपिनियन है. आप पार्टी के लिए अपना कमिटमेंट दे चुके हैं.
आपको क्यों तकलीफ हो रही है?
दूसरी
आपको क्यों तकलीफ हो रही है अगर है तो
डायलॉग करने का?
आपको किस बात की तकलीफ हो रही है अगर मेरा पर्सनल ओपिनियन है तो?
कि आपके वैसे लोग आज एक कम्युनिटी को गुमराह कर रहे हैं.
आप जैसे लोगों को अपनी जबान बंद रखनी चाहिए. आपको अधिकार ही नहीं है बोलने का. मुझसे गलती हुई कि मैं आपके सवाल का जवाब दे रहा हूं.
आप
ये गुनाह
जरा बताइए हमें. आबिद रसूल जी, आबिद रसूल जी, एक मिनट. आबिद रसूल जी, ये जरा हमें बताइए कि जब शाही इमाम कांग्रेस को सपोर्ट करते हैं तो बड़े अच्छे होते हैं, और शाही इमाम के भाई जब आके कहते हैं आम आदमी पार्टी को मैं सपोर्ट करता हूं तो आप गुमराह कर रहे हैं. हाउ इज इट दैट व्हेन द शाही इमाम सपोर्ट्स यू ही इज अ ग्रेट मैन, बट व्हेन हिज यंगर ब्रदर सेज आई सपोर्ट द आम आदमी पार्टी, ही इज अ नो प्लीज बी रैशनल. And there was a counter question coming, counter question for Subramaniam Swamy that was coming from Yahya Bukhari. Yes, Mr. Bukhari.
सेक्युलरिज्म को सपोर्ट करें.
Mr. Bukhari, what was your question?
सेक्युलरिज्म को सपोर्ट करें.
What was your question to Subramaniam Swamy?
I'm saying that this is my personal decision.
No, what was your question to Subramaniam Swamy?
Okay.
आप क्या पूछ रहे थे उनको? What was your question to
सुब्रमण्यम स्वामी से मैं ये कह रहा था, जो इन्होंने यस आई एम कमिंग टू दैट. इन्होंने 1977 की बात करी कि 1977 में इमाम बुखारी ने, मेरे फादर ने जनता पार्टी को समर्थन किया. उसके कुछ ही दिनों की बात है, यही सुब्रमण्यम स्वामी, मुझे याद है जब इनसे प्रॉपर्ली हिंदी बोलनी नहीं आती थी, ये जामा मस्जिद आए थे और उन्होंने मुसलमानों की जो तारीफों के पुल बांधे थे. मैं जहां यह सुब्रमण्यम स्वामी, इन्होंने मुसलमानों की तारीफों के, मेरे वालिद के कमरे में बैठकर तारीफों के पुल बांधे थे. आज यही सुब्रमण्यम स्वामी इंटरव्यू देते हैं इंडिविजुअल तो उसमें मुसलमानों को मारने और काटने की बात करते हैं. तो यहां तो ये जितने मुझे 2-3 चेहरे ऐसे नजर आ रहे हैं
बिल्कुल
जिनके और दिखाने के और हैं.
Ask him to quote a single statement of mine where Ask him to quote a single statement where I've said
इन्होंने अभी
मुसलमान
कुछ
को
दिन पहले
काटना
आज तक में
चाहिए,
इंटरव्यू दिया
मारना
है। इन्होंने
चाहिए।
मुसलमानों को काटने मारने की बात करी।
नहीं, ऐसी
इन्होंने
बात
कहा
आप-
कि
no, no,
मुसलमानों को
एक मिनट।
इस मुल्क से निकाल देना
झूठ
चाहिए।
बोलते
ये
हो आप।
सुब्रमण्यम स्वामी के अल्फाज हैं।
एक
आप
मिनट।
झूठ बोल रहे हो, झूठ मत बोलिए। मैंने कभी नहीं कहा ऐसा टेलीविजन में होता
मेरे
तो
पास
तुम्हारे यहाँ की जो कांग्रेस सरकार है मेरे ऊपर केस डाल देती।
Mr. Subramaniam Swami, if you, Mr. Subramaniam Swami, just listen to me, please. ये मेरे पास इसमें क्लिप मौजूद है. Ask Mr. Annam if they have time. I can immediately open the clip and show it on the screen right now.
What is in the clip? What is in the
Yeah,
clip?
show it, show
What is
it,
on the clip? Okay, show it. What is
झूठ
on the
बोल
clip?
रहे हैं आप झूठ बोल रहे हैं, आप झूठ बोल रहे हैं। मैंने ऐसा कभी
बात
कहा
देखिए
नहीं
है,
और मैं कह नहीं सकता। हम तो डेमोक्रेसी में विश्वास करते हैं।
जिसमें इन्होंने आज तक को इंटरव्यू दिया था, और उस इंटरव्यू में इन्होंने इस मुल्क से मुसलमानों को खत्म करने की बात करी है।
नहीं,
और
ऐसी
मैं आपको
बात
बता
ये
देता हूं, यू कैन ऑल्सो
झूठ
फाइंड
बोल
आउट
रहे
द
हो।
क्लिप। ये
झूठ बोल रहे हो,
आपके झूठ और सच कहने से
आपको
झूठ,
मैं चैलेंज
सच
करता
झूठ
हूँ
नहीं हो
उस क्लिप
जाएगा।
को। हाँ, माफी मांगो आप,
मैं
ऐसे झूठ
आपके
नहीं
जवाब में
बोलना
मैं आपको
चाहिए।
चैलेंज करता हूं।
मुझे कोई
मैं
जरूरत
झूठ
ही नहीं है कहने के लिए।
जब मैं आप समय निकालिए टीवी से हटकर या टीवी पर, और मैं वो सबूत आपके सामने रखूंगा। ये मेरे हाथ में मौजूद है।
दीजिए, ये अर्नब गोस्वामी को दीजिए।
जी जरूर।
और मैं
हाँ,
आपको
ठीक है,
कहता हूँ,
yes,
आज
I
आपने
promise.
झूठ बोला
I
है।
promise I'll give it to
इस
Arnab.
तरीके के झूठ नहीं बोलना चाहिए।
Immediately after, yes, listen to me, Mr. Swami. I am answering your question. Immediately
I
after
am
the program
listening.
is over, I will send this
आपको
clip on
पेट
the
में दर्द
WhatsApp to
है
Mr.
कि
Arnab.
गुजरात में
This is
मुसलमान
my promise.
नरेंद्र
This
मोदी
is
को
my
वोट दे
promise.
रहे हैं।
I'll send this clip to Mr. Arnab.
Okay, so you send the clip. We'll arbitrate that
Yeah,
issue
you
later.
send it to Arnab Goswami.
Okay, fine. Send
Send
it.
it
Now
to
my
Arnab
question is,
Goswami and let him play it.
I will
Because
not
that
play
is
any.
against the law
I am
to
not.
say
No,
that.
one second, Subramanian. I am not making any guarantee of playing something which may or may not incite sentiments, but you can send it, and I will certainly give my opinion and get your reactions again on that. My question, Zafar Sareshwala. Sorry for staying late on the debate.
Right.
1 minute. Zafar Sareshwala hasn't even spoken. Kamal Farooqi, we have a few minutes left. Zafar Sareshwala, where do you stand on this? Where do you stand? You've seen the debate so far.
See, Arnab, this whole issue of bringing religious people or somebody and their opinion affects a community is absolutely far-fetched. It doesn't happen. We are living in 2014. And I'm very glad that in 2014 the election is fought on the basis of bread and butter. What are the issues, Arnab, in front of Muslim or a Hindu? He wants to fight poverty, he wants jobs, he wants opportunities, he wants health, he wants to move ahead, he wants infrastructure. These are the issues, real issues on which elections would be fought, and the elections should be fought. And Muslims are as aspirational as anybody else. To say that Muslims are a homogeneous group, it is absolutely nonsensical, and it cannot be anything far from this.
Is that
Muslims
your
are
fear?
as aspirational as Hindus. They have.
Is that your fear? Because your party gets less than 5% of the vote. I asked this question yesterday. Should the BJP not think why it gets less than 5% of the vote? Kamal Farooqi. Should that not be an issue for the BJP to consider?
Arnab, let me complete.
1 second. Kamal Farooqi.
Even BJP now needs. BJP also needs to look towards Muslims as their voters. They cannot have 20 crore Muslim living in isolation.
No, but that's not the point. The bigger point. Yeah, yes, Kamal Farooqi.
Muslims are not living in the
was in the
isolation.
past. This time we will get 25.
Muslims are not living in isolation. Muslims are part of the whole country, homogeneous society, and they are voting for the development of the country. Of course, they are working for their own interest also, because the fundamental rights for the minorities, they are very dearer to us, and we want to protect them also. But at the same time, I'm asking this question to Mr. Subramaniam Swami and my friend Sareshwala. Why the same kind of hangama is not being raised when the yoga guru is openly asking, when the Shri Maharaj Ji is going over there, when all the other religious people are, I think this has to be answered for all the political parties.
Swami,
whether it is BJP,
I will answer.
Congress.
Neither Baba Ramdev nor Sri Ravi Shankar asked only Hindus to vote for BJP. They say that the whole country should vote for BJP. That's the difference.
He has never asked for Muslims to vote. He said secularism. You are totally hijacking the whole issue when he has.
What is secularism? Your secularism is in Kerala. You got Catholic bishops. You got Catholic bishops assembled to vote for you.
Comes on the political arena on party.
You are asking Catholics to vote for Congress.
You come on channels and totally talk falsehood.
Of course, there is a Catholic conference going on in Kerala. You don't know anything about Kerala.
Tomorrow,
You must be from Andhra.
Hey, I know everything. You don't know anything except breaking and making communal.
You go to Kerala and see. There is a Catholic bishops conference which has been held.
I have gone to Tamil Nadu. I have gone to Tamil Nadu from where you have come, and they say you are the most destructive force.
well, you could have fought the election without directly doing deals with religious leaders. That's the only point. Mr. Abid Rasool, consider this. Yesterday you were smug, today you are on the
Yes.
defensive. Yesterday you were smug and today you are on the defensive.
I am on the right side, and I will speak the same language every time when a debate like this comes up.
Okay. In fact, we can have a debate. We'll take it forward. But I have a feeling the people of this country will reject attempts to get tactical religious voting. Gentlemen, Mr. Yahya Khan and Subramaniam Swamy will talk later after this on your charges against each other. Yahya Bukhari, thank you very much for joining me on debate number 2 on the News Hour tonight. Thank you.